How do homologous structures show GED evolution evidence? Imagine finding a set of similar building blocks in different toys. Even if the toys look different or do different things, those blocks are the same. That's kind of what homologous structures are in animals. They are body parts in different species that have a similar basic design because they came from a common ancestor. Over time, these parts might look or work differently, but their core structure is alike. This shows us how species change over many generations. For example, look at the forelimbs of mammals like humans, bats, and whales. All of these animals have arms or fins with the same bones in the same order. Humans use their hands for grasping, bats have wings for flying, and whales use flippers for swimming. Even though they do different jobs, the bones inside are very similar. This tells us they all inherited this limb design from a shared ancestor that had the same basic bone structure. Homologous structures help scientists see how species are related. When they find similar body parts in different animals, it suggests those animals come from a common ancestor. This idea is called common ancestry. It's like how siblings share similar features because they come from the same parents. The differences in how these parts look or work now show how each species adapted to its environment over time. For example, a bird's wing and a human arm are similar in structure but serve different purposes. Scientists also look at how these structures develop in embryos. Embryos of different vertebrates go through similar stages of growth. This means they share genetic instructions inherited from a common ancestor. Plus, DNA analysis supports this idea because the genes related to these structures are often very similar across species. This genetic evidence makes the case even stronger that these animals are connected through evolution. Understanding homologous structures helps us see the big picture of how life on Earth is connected. It shows that many different species have a shared history and that they have changed over time through natural processes. Recognizing these similarities makes it easier to understand how species evolve and adapt to their environments. It also helps us understand the bigger story of life's diversity and unity. So, when you see similar bones in different animals, you're looking at evidence of how evolution has shaped life over millions of years.